So in case of scratches, broken edges, holes in natural engineered stones, ceramics and other materials, with this repair kit Akelux we can repair in following way. We have to use a Dremel in case of scratches. If the scratch is only in the surface, we have to make the scratch deeper, because otherwise we have not enough place to fill our glue in the scratch. So, and this can be done with a Dremel. Also the same will happen in case of holes, broken edges. There are loose parts of materials in the damaged area, and we have to remove these loose parts of material with the Dremel, the diamond bit. We need a minimum deep from 1/2 millimeter or more to have enough place to fill our glue. Sometimes, if stones have veins, we also can create with our Dremel veins with the stone veins and not through. After doing this, we have to clean this area proper with the Akelux cleaner. Add some Akelux cleaner in this damaged area and clean it very proper with a clean towel. Let it dry for a short time, and then we apply the primer pen. The primer pen is for a good adhesion between stone and glue. Let it dry for approximately 1 minute, and then we can start to fill the damaged area with the Akelux glue. In the most cases, for surface repair, it's enough to use transparent glue. In cases of holes, broken edges, we can also add some colored glues and measure them on the stone surface. After 1 minute, we can start to fill this transparent glue in the damaged area with this dental nozzle. That's a high-tech glue coming from the dental technology. Contact the stone with this dental nozzle, so to be sure that the glue is in the teeth. Then we have to take one of these Akelux plastics, bring them on the top and let it easily down so air bubbles can go out. The next is use the LED light emitter. That's special UV light. That's a protective cap for your eyes. Fix this plastic with one finger and start hardening. Press the button for 2 seconds, and then the LED light emitter will work for 1 minute. 1 minute is enough to harden layers for 4 or 5 millimeters thick. In case of deeper holes, we have to fill the fur for 5 millimeters, harden them, and then next layer. If you press the button for longer than 2 seconds, this gun will work continuously. So you can harden step by step bigger scratches or damaged areas. If the glue is hardened, goes through. Use this planer, press here and start in the middle of the damaged area to remove the excess of material from the surface. From time to time we check our planer and then we have to clean this planer with this brush with steel in the middle. Now we can start with polishing. You have to use this polishing and grinding block, different types of sandpapers, 2400, some water, and now we start to polish the damaged area. $3,200. And 4,000. Try again. In case of black materials, sometimes the black material can have some small pores, pinholes. Our polishing paste is white. This polishing paste can penetrate in the pores. That's why in the kit for black materials we have an acrylic marker pen. So we can use this acrylic marker pen to add it in the pores before we use the polishing paste.
Good morning. Stone Expo 2007 will open.
It's a polishing pen. Depending how polished the surface is, we have to polish more or less. Polishing paste doesn't contain silicones, waxes, or something like this. So this paste is polishing only our glue. Then we can stop and check if our result is good enough. Otherwise we have to continue with the polishing. That's the result after. Alright, then, thank you for the music.